She encourages my husband to break up with me, Andy Eigenman to Pernilla. Mainit-init na usapin ngayon sa social media ang mga Instagram stories ng aktres na si Andy Eigenman matapos nitong klaruhin ang sitwasyon nila ng kanyang fiancé na si Filmar Alipayo. Mariin na itinanggi ng aktres na hindi tungkol sa cheating issues ang problema nila ni Filmar, kundi ang kaibigan di umano nito na ng traidor kay Andy. Sa latest post ni Andy Eigenman nilinaw niya na ang best friend ni Filmar Alipayo na si Pernilla Shaw ang nagbubuyo sa kanyang partner upang tuluyan ng makipaghiwalay sa kanya. Ayon kay Andy ay ito ang paraan niya upang ipaglaban pa ang kanyang pamilya at ang relasyon nila. When my other friends told me that they told their partners to stay away from her, I should have listened, saad ng aktres sa kanyang Instagram story. I should have called it out the first time me and my husband found it weird that she just gets a huge tattoo on her shin dedicated to him, he who is someone else's husband. I would never even shared anything at all on here, if she only had the nerve to respond to me, and now I'm the bad one, dagdag pa nito. I am fully aware that my husband never cheated on me with this girl. I am always around when they are together. I posted because this person betrayed me, encourages my husband to break up with me during every fight even when I also tell my side of the story to her. She didn't honor my side by choosing to celebrate her and by each other because the day after our fight she inserted herself in the situation by encouraging him to go for a spontaneous love couple tattoo together. If innocent, why now when he is vulnerable, why not when we're okay, or maybe why not when things have calmed down? I reached out to her, to get any but of explanation from her for thinking this is a good idea, and she chose to completely ignore me. Yes, I am hurt that my husband didn't think this would bother me, him not being dumb and ignoring that, but post was to just show that no normal person with good intentions would think it's okay for a friend to encourage someone else's husband to do this without considering the partner's feelings. Especially after I told her that even if we are in a bad fight I would always want and choose to be okay with my husband because he is my family. May mga sari-saring komento naman ang naging pahayag ng mga concerned citizens at fans ni Andy dahil sa kanyang estado sa buhay ngayon. Girl, your husband should have refused to do the couple tattoo if he's really considerate with your feelings, even if how much desperate that girl is, if he really wants to avoid hurting you, he will never do it even you both have some fights. Ay nako, your husband is creating a fight as an excuse to be with her, so he won't be blamed. Don't fight for him and waste her beauty. There are more real men you deserve and more decent one. Island boy will always be an island boy. You've tried to level with him but he wants more. Happiness is coming for an upgrade. You deserve it, let him go. Pag may asawa na iwasang makipagkaibigan sa babae, alam naman nating mga babae ang red flag na gesture ng mga lalaki kapag may babaeng kaharap, diba, at iwasan yung mga lalaki yung ramdam nyo na piniflirt kayo ni babae sa kahit anong move. Huwag niyong patulan kasi may asawa na kayo at once na makita or maramdaman namin yan aba syempre magsiselos kami, baliktaran nyo sitwasyon via boy and girl, yan kung may respeto ka sa asawa mo di mo gagawin lalo na kung talagang totoo na mel mo asawa mo kasi di mo siya kayang saktan, ang dagdag pa ng isa. May mga naging opinyon din ng iba na sabi ay kapay may pamilya ka na hindi naman masamang magkaroon ng kaibigan as long as may limitation, hindi ko linalahat pero madaming naghihiwalay dahil sa kaibigan kuno, kaya kung pamilyado ka na alamin mo kung ano mga dapat mong iwasan, hindi toxic relationship ang tawag doon kundi respeto sa partner mo.